In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix HubSpot Error 401 quickly and step by step. If you're seeing a 401 unauthorized error in HubSpot, it usually means there's a permission issue or you're logged into the wrong account. The good news is that this is almost always easy to fix once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the two most common solutions so you can get back to work without frustration. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first and most common cause of HubSpot Error 401 is a user permission issue. This happens when your account doesn't have access to the tool, feature, or record you're trying to open. To fix this, start by going to the Settings icon in HubSpot. You'll find it in the top navigation bar, and it looks like a small gear symbol. Click on that to open your account settings. Once you're inside Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Users and Teams. This section shows you everyone who has access to your HubSpot account. From here, select the specific user who is experiencing the 401 error. If it's happening to you, select your own user profile. After selecting the user, you'll see different permission categories. Expand the sections relevant to what you're trying to access. This could be CRM, marketing, sales, or service tools depending on where the error appears. Click to expand each section and carefully review the permissions. Now look for any missing permissions. In most cases, the issue is that edit, view, write, or publish access is turned off. You may also need automation access depending on what you're trying to do. Turn on any permissions that are required for that tool or feature. Make sure everything necessary is enabled. After adjusting the permissions, scroll down and click Save. This step is important. If you forget to save, the changes won't apply. Once saved, refresh the page where you are seeing the 401 error and check if the issue is resolved. In most cases, this immediately fixes the problem. Now, if the error still appears, the second common cause is that you're logged into the wrong HubSpot account. This happens more often than you might think. Sometimes you click a link from an email and HubSpot automatically opens a different portal that you also have access to. If that account doesn't have the same permissions or data, you'll see a 401 unauthorized error. To fix this, go to the top right corner of your HubSpot dashboard and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select your HubSpot accounts. This will show you all the portals connected to your email address. Carefully choose the correct account that you're supposed to be working in. Once you switch to the correct portal, go back and open the link again. In many cases, simply switching to the right account completely resolves the 401 error. So to quickly recap, HubSpot Error 401 usually happens for two reasons. Either your user permissions are missing something important, or you're in the wrong HubSpot portal. First, check and update permissions under Settings, then Users and Teams, and enable the necessary CRM, marketing, sales, or service tools access. Second, verify that you're logged into the correct HubSpot account by switching portals from your profile menu. If you follow these two steps carefully, you should be able to fix HubSpot Error 401 in just a few minutes. I hope this tutorial helped you solve the issue. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot troubleshooting guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.